How's it going, everybody? This is the Pro 300. I am in the Resort Superior King room at Excalibur in Las Vegas. So just going to do a quick room tour. So you walk through the front door and I'm going to show you all this first. You got a nice closet. With plenty of space. You come in here, you got a nice king-size bed, TV, stuff to put your clothes. I never use that though. And the best part about this room is the deep soaking tub and the view. Not the view out that window, but the view from this window. I am on the 25th floor. So check that out. This is an awesome view. I'll show you what it looks like at night as well. Not sure what it looks like at night, but as you can see, the New York, and the Park MGM is right across the road from me. Really cool. But this is Excalibur Hotel room tour. And let's check out the bathrooms really quick. Flip a light on. Hey, what's going on, everybody? How we doing? So sink, towels, toilet, shower. All right, everything looks clean. Very nice, very nice. Thanks for watching this room tour at Excalibur, and hope you have a great day. And we're in Vegas, man, so see y'all another day. Oh, one thing real quick, there is no ports for your phone charger, so you have to use a regular plug. So, have a great... Oh, looky here. I'm going a little fast. Look at this, man. I got some hand sanitizer and a little safety kit. Mask and stuff. Cool. Awesome. Alright. And that should do it. Thanks for watching. This is the Pro 300. If you like, subscribe, and more videos coming soon. I don't do a lot of videos, but I'll post some every once in a while. Thanks. Have a great day.